Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the multi-company access rights Odoo module developed by Openinside. Usually, the biggest challenge for system administrators is setting up and controlling user access rights across different companies. This module provides different user access rights for each company while switching between companies. In other words, this feature allows users to have different access rights in different companies. Managing user access rights can indeed be one of the most significant challenges for system administrators, especially in environments where there are multiple companies or departments with varying levels of access requirements. This feature allows users to log into each company with their authorized access without compromising the privacy of each company. Let's get started with our demo. First, we will start with the configuration. Click on the Settings tab from the app drawer. Go to the Users and Companies menu item. Select the Users menu. Open the user's profile. From the Access Right tab, assign the allowed companies for the selected user. Go to the Multi-Company Access Rights tab. In this tab, you will set the access rights per company by assigning the required access rights group for each company. You can have an overview of the user access rights per company by clicking on the Multi-Companies Access action from the drop-down list. This action will open a wizard. Once selected, the company will see this user is part of which groups. And now, let's see how this feature works. User access will change after switching between companies, according to the access privileges granted to this user. When logging into Company 1, he can access the accounting module, but not the purchase module. When he moves to Company 2, he will experience the opposite. He will be able to access the purchase module but not the accounting module. The sales module is available in both companies for the same user. This is a result of pre-configured multi-company access rights. And there you have it. You've reached the end of our tutorial on the multi-company access rights module developed by Openinside. We hope this tutorial have given you a clear guidance on how to use this module. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more of Openinside's Odoo module tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you, and see you in our next video.